Right guys, here we go again, week number 4. Just been to Wicks, loaded up the trolley, could barely move it, but got a load of aggregate, MOT, gravel, sand. So rinse and repeat, using the lawn edge cutter, cutting it into little sections. Yeah, so I haven't really done much filming this week because it's just all the same. And then using a fork to lift the turf. One piece of advice is to make sure you have some good boots with a solid midsole, especially with the fork, so you don't hurt your feet. And here we go, the finished result. I managed to get 12 slabs in today, or this weekend, so making good progress, about halfway there. So the plant pots making use of the new patio space. So yeah, happy results so far. So yeah, keep on plodding. So I'll do a bit more filming next week because we're coming up to the bit where we got the existing slab, so it'll be interesting to see how we reposition them. But here's last week and here's this week. Catch you next time.